This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com.
Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Well, on the gold market, price also is continuing move higher. Well, that we also talked about it yesterday, since market hasn't shown the breakout of the support line, this, if you could call it flag, but it's mostly some kind of the consolidation as market has held about this support and can't break through the crossing of the weekly pivot point support, and this support moves higher. We said if market doesn't want to continue move lower, then probably it will go higher, and that has happened. In fact, market has reached the first area that we have discussed, that is the weekly pivot resistance 1. It stands for 1421 for the current week, and that is some kind of the resistance. At the same time, if you'll take a look at the hourly time frame, market hasn't quite reached the target that we have specified previously. That is based on this ABCD pattern. A, B, C, bottom. Here you can see by this Russian greens market has hit 618, retracement. Now is on the way to the 100%, and probably it should reach it. That's 1430 area. Maybe today, maybe a bit later, but market usually very rare leaves some significant targets behind it before reversal. This could happen if market is really weak, but in current environment probably we should be focused on the reaching of this area. Also take a look that this is some sort of the butterflies developing that has the target 127 extension at the same area as the 100% extension of this ABCD pattern. Also 1430 area is the consolidation on the daily time frame. So you take a look at this area. That is the consolidation. So that will be significant resistance between 1430, probably 1440 area that market will protect, because market as a rule protects the area of previous consolidation area and doesn't allow price return right back in this consolidation. That will be the very significant resistance. But this area is very important for us because, as I said, if a market will return right back in this consolidation, that could put the foundation for the double bottom pattern and could trigger the further significant move to the 16 even area. That's why this nearest weeks on the gold market will be really significant. This potential retracement up to the 16 even has the significant assistance and foundation from the extreme oversold condition on the monthly time frame, and that very often happens when the market has very significant oversold area, extreme oversold on the higher time frames that could lead to deeper retracement on the lower time frames. That was particularly weekly time frame, since we have the double bottom as the daily time frame is on the weekly time frame. That could lead to the deeper retracement. But in short-term perspective, you can see market has now at the same position to the 100% extension. I think that we should be focused on the reaching of this area. It's 1430 area, maybe in the short-term future. On the hourly time frame, we have, since market stands at the resistance, and this resistance is weekly pivot resistance 1, 1421. Also, you can see that market has formed some kind of the bearish stop grabber here. We have also bearish divergence with the MACD indicator. If you will draw it, you will see it. Well, that hint on some potential retracement to the downside. Well, since from the one point of view, gold market likes deeper retracements, usually 618, but from the another point of view, I do not want to see that market returns right back below this area of the consolidation. Recall that we have talked about it. This is this resistance area. You can see natural resistance. Market has tested 3 times, broken up. Yesterday we have discussed the retesting, that market could show retracement, retest this area before continue move higher. So that has happened. You can see this retest, now move up. So if market will returns right back below it, that will be not good sign for the bullish development. In fact, it probably will destroy further upward action. That's why market should finish its retracement to the downside if it will come somewhere in this area. From the one point of view, this should be some deeper retracements, 618 area, since gold market has the tendency to show the 618 retracements. From the other point of view, this level should be higher than this one. And combining these two thoughts, this probably we should be focused on the 1405 area, because that is the confluence support on the hourly time frame. That is also the 618 support from the most recent swing up. Okay, since this top grabber suggested the taking out of these lows, probably, well, market probably will move below the 1412 area. That's why that's an area to watch for, is the potential long entry with the target 1430 area. That's the short-term potential development on the gold market. We'll see how it will turn, but currently I think that until market will hit this area, it's better to not take even scalp shorts. So we will get some possibility to enter short around 1430 with the scalp short trade, but until market will hit it, it's unsafe, because market now stands in the same position, and in fact it could show some shallow retracement before reaching this area. That's why it's not the good idea to enter short right now on the hourly time frame. From the other point of view, to enter long here is also not very safe, because this is resistance, weekly pivot resistance, while market has formed the stop grabber, and it's probably to take some dip to enter long if you would like to do this. And by my thought, the 1405 or 1406 area could be not bad solution for that trade. So that's in fact what I see on the gold market. Actually, on the euro currency and the gold market, the situation stands very tricky and intriguing, because depending on how market will behave around these resistances, as euro currency, as gold market, will depend what we will get in the medium term perspective. Because currently on the euro currency, there are some chances exist that we will get the move to the 133. This is possible. The same on the gold market. If market will pass through the 1430 area and will continue to move higher, then probably we could get even deeper move to the 1490, 15 even area is the resistance, or potentially, if that will be the double bottom, we can get moved to the 16 even. That's a medium term perspective. That's now stand on the horizon. That's in fact possible. But first we need to get some more clarification from the market how it will respond on the newest resistances. We need to see that market will not fail there to get the confidence that we could get the deeper move to the upside. If market will fail around these areas, as I said, on the gold around 1430 and euro currency and the current resistance, then probably this could follow some downward continuation. That's why we could call it current levels some sort of the edge on the market between on the medium term perspective. That's why in such circumstances it's better to focus on some short-term setups. On the euro currency today we get potential Jade Napoli directional patterns, the scalp trading, and here in fact since market hasn't quite reached the target around 1430, probably we could be focused on trading till that moment and to not take any longer positions in terms of time. Do not marry any position, just take the short-term position, take profit fast, and wait for further clarification to understand what we could expect in a bit longer period.